What's up, guys? Cyber Scrapper here, back with another video today. Today I told you guys, or yesterday I told you guys I was gonna make another video today, because I wanted to go see if there was some more copper out here, copper wire, and I'm about to go check this dumpster real quick along the way. But we're going to an apartment complex. I might have some stuff, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go check it out. Nothing in here, just trash bag. A bunch of books in here. I could use them, but up here. I'm gonna cut this off real quick. Comes up to about right here, I think. I'm just gonna cut this off right here. Wait. I don't know if I can cut it off with one hand. Let's see if I can do it. That damn train. Alright, and then I think all I gotta do is pull this off right here. Should come off. Some trash. Let's check, we'll see what's in these drawers. Shampoo, Axe, goggles. What is this? A tent? I don't know what that is. That long. I could probably use this. Axe. Shampoo. I might take the axe, why not? Alright guys, let's see what's in this big pile, and I gotta pee, so I might get some electric motors and copper cords. I'll grab this out of there. Man, I'm gonna squish my nuts going in there, man. Jesus. Alright, so grab this real quick. Put this in my bag. Let's go check the next dumpster. Alrighty. Pressing, I guess. I think I scrapped the whole thing right there. I don't think there's anything over here. Yeah. Nothing over here really. They did have that dumpster right there, but I guess they moved it. So, is that a plug? Ooh, I could probably snip that. Yeah, that's a plug right there, copper cord. What is this in here? What is that? It's probably nothing. I'm gonna cut this cord right here. Come on, snip. Snippy snip. There we go. But it's only connected to that. All the stuff that they left last time I came. See if there's any scrap around here. Yeah, I don't think there's anything over here. I wish they would have left like a big dumpster over here or something that I could scrap from. But I don't see anything over here. That's about enough for today. I got a little bit of cords, but it's all good. I ain't gonna be selling my scrap until I find another bike. Because my cruiser bike, I just left it because it had a freaking flat tire. I couldn't do nothing with it. So, but yeah, I'm just gonna be collecting my copper cores and copper, whatever I can find right now. I still got to get another hammer, because my other one, the head on it broke loose, and I was just like, damn. Now I gotta buy another hammer. What else I gotta buy? That's about it. I just need a hammer and I'm good to go. I gotta get another hammer. So yeah. I'll be putting my links to my shop in my shops and my buy in the link in the bio description. Link in the description, just in case you guys wanna go order some patches, man. I'm really trying to make a few dollars till I find a job. But it's in the description if you guys, just in case. Yeah, guys, this is the end of this vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you would leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys would do that for me, that would be really appreciated. And thanks for watching.